Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You have your sample column ready, and you know the population mean and sigma. First, calculate the sample mean with equals average range. Then compute n with equals count range. Place population mean and sigma in labeled cells so formulas reference them. This prevents errors. Once done, decide one-tailed versus two-tailed because it changes how you interpret the p-value. Make sure your sample is random, and that using a z-test is appropriate because sigma must be known. Now compute the z statistic directly. In a cell enter equals sample mean cell pop mean cell slash sigma cell slash sqrt n cell. This yields the z-score. It tells you how many sigma the sample mean is from the population mean. Once you have z, get the p-value. For a two-tailed test, use equals 2 asterisk 1 norm, s dist abs z cell true. For one-tailed, use equals 1 norm, s dist z cell true or norm, s dist depending on direction. Make sure signs align. Finish by comparing the p-value to your alpha level. If p-alpha, you reject the null. Report the z-value, p-value, one or two-tailed decision, and remind readers that sigma was assumed known. Once reported, save a snapshot of formulas and key cells to document reproducibility. If results look wrong, check that sigma was input as a number, ranges contain no text, and that you used ABS when calculating two-tailed p. Those three issues cause most mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.